everyone, welcome back to Auto for Class. I'm Artemis and this is my mama from Zoe's Craft Box.
Hi everybody. We're going to make flowers in a vase for spring.
But before we get started, like and subscribe.
Hi guys, for this craft you're either going to need paper cups or plastic cups, some pipe cleaner, and then we cut some leaves from some burlap, green burlap, scissors, paint if you want to paint the center of your flower, and a glue gun. And we're going to put it on a piece of wood, but you can use cardboard too. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so here's the plastic petal flower.
We just painted the middle yellow.
And this is the paper cup, so you can decide which look you want, but we're going to go for the plastic.
Yep.
And first thing you do is you cut off the rim, which we already did. And then you take your scissors and you just start cutting little strips or wide strips, whichever way you want it to look.
And
so we're going to do that.
And for the middle, if you like to paint it, we're just using yellow chalk paint.
Yeah, it's Waverly yellow chalk paint.
And we painted the board with some apple barrel red blue paint.
That took like 3 coats of paint.
Yeah.
So we're going to go ahead and cut our flowers.
Yep.
And you just cut your strips either wide or skinny, whichever look you're going for. This is pretty easy.
I actually, when I practiced it, I did, like
every other one.
Tiny, big, big.
She did a pattern. She did a skinny strip and then a bigger strip.
And I'm still doing that.
And then after you cut your strips,
but are you already done?
you kind of push your middle down, put all your petals, spread all your petals out like that, and then you push it down like that. And then you just kind of curl it. And then since our board's not real wide, we're cutting some of it off so they're not real big.
And you don't have to do that if you have a wider board.
Yeah, our board's not that wide, and some of it's going to hang off, but that'll just give it some dimension. It'll look nice.
I am almost done. Wait.
And I'll help you push yours out when you're ready. Okay, so there's one.
I'm still looking on mine.
And then when she gets done, Emma's going to help her bend it. I'll bend it out for you. While I'm doing that, you want to go ahead and paint the center of that flower so it can start drying. It takes 2 coats to go over this plastic. So we're going to let her start painting the center.
Do you think I have to, I already got it on me?
Yeah, we already shook it up. That's okay. We're messy painters.
I'll have those, something like that.
So again, squeeze the petals forward. And then I'm going to start cutting them off for her.
We're just using 2 coats of this yellow chalk paint on the middle because it's red and it's probably going to kind of take away all of the yellow. Kind of.
Yeah, it's going to take 2 coats to go over the red.
So I'm
And there's the second flower. And she'll paint that center.
After I get some paint off of my hand.
Paper cup, we cut it in half. And that's going to be our vase. So,
Let me take the middle of
and
this one.
we're going to take one of our pipe cleaners and
And
cut it in half to make the stem.
I got some of the yellow paint on the petals, but
Okay. Okay. I'm going to place it at the bottom. Good. Pick it up and show it to them. See how after you cut it in half and you place it on there, it makes it look like it's a whole vase.
except for no flowers on it yet.
And we run the glue. And that. And we'll place the flower, one flower right there.
Do you think it's probably ready for its second coat on that one?
Almost.
This one needs a little bit more time since I just painted another coat because
I'll run some more glue on this one. And then you decide where you want your leaves.
this is only 3 leaves. Where'd the last leaf go?
Oh.
These two like this. This is actually a very fast
Craft.
craft.
Looks pretty cute, doesn't it?
We're
Now
gonna
you
let
could
it
put,
dry.
this could be for Mother's Day. Or, like I said, we made it for just spring, just to sit around for the spring. But it'd be cute for Mother's Day. You could put Happy Mother's Day on the cup.
I hope you guys all liked the craft we did today. I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!
Bye.